Hey guys, Fishy here. I found a sketchy image that looked like a lot of the bait crap that these fake junk Facebook pages post. So I thought it'd be a good opportunity to show the pattern here, why you should be skeptical of these types of posts. And if you know somebody who typically shares these things, then you can show this to them. So the page in question here is Smiling Colors. They've got 900,000 people that like the page. And here's the post. It's a picture of a young woman who is an amputee holding her prosthetic. And share if you love my smile. 10,000 shares for this one. And the text says, "Hello, I'm Anna. Today is my birthday, but no one wished me yet because I am disabled. I'm smiling but sad in my heart. Can I get some best wishes?" And then a little sad emoji. That's a lot of bait. And people really believe this. Some of them are skeptical. Stop wishing this woman a happy birthday. It's not her birthday. I can't believe there are so many gullible people out there. Me too, Cheryl. But other people, Anna, happy birthday. Do not allow the hateful disabilities of others to take away your glow. This is just... people buy this. 10,000 people shared it thinking it was legitimate. Well, one of the ways that we check is we search on the image. So we search Google for the image here. And what do we get back? Saudi Arabia acid attack. That's interesting. So we'll check this link out. Meet the Emirati woman designing prosthesis for acid attack victims. From About Her. I don't know anything about that publication. But we scroll down and we look through here. This is about a woman who's supposed to be helping acid attack victims, including the ones who've had amputations. And there's that picture that we saw, but no context, no label, no photo credit. That's just interesting. So let's see what else there is here. How about this one? Prosthetics meet robotics. If we look at that one, this is from militaryaerospace.com, and it's talking about using robotics to help people who've got prosthetic devices to be able to use them with more efficiency and better. Then we get down here and there is a picture and it's credited, at least with a label that tells you it's Brazilian athletes Marinalva de Almeida. So we're going to take that and we're going to go to Google and we are going to search on her name and see if that is the same person. If we have got the person who we're looking at. That's her picture there. Let's see if there's another good one straight on in her face. Here's a good one of her face. And then here's the other one. It looks very similar to me. I think that could be her. Pretty sure it is. But we'll continue to look through these photos just to see if there's anything else that might help. How about this one? That looks similar? I think it does. I think that looks like her. So even though we went into the Google search, the first thing that came up was wrong. That's not to say that Google is wrong here, but it might be pushing the more popular results up to the top, and that may be what's happening here. But sometimes you got to do a little more digging. And here's the thing. People who even stopped here at the prosthetic story would still be able to say, well, I don't know if that's Anna, and that's a really baity kind of thing to post. Maybe it's not true. And this is particularly common among military pages, people who've had amputees, cop pages, police, things like that. Those pages do a lot of these bait posts to get a lot of engagement. Now, there's lots of theories as to what they're doing with it, but basically they're mining people's attention to get them to do the share. 10,000 shares on a page for anything is really good. That's a lot of traffic. And they don't care if it's true. They know that it will jerk the people's emotions that are interacting with it, and that's all they care about. So if you know somebody who falls for these sorts of things, if you see a lot of these baity, emotion, tear-jerking, heartstring-tugging posts, take a moment and look and see if the picture is legitimate. It shouldn't take that long to check it out, and you might be able to keep some fakery from spreading further by your own hands. It's worth a few minutes to check out. and maybe it'll help people become more skeptical.